one. Me.
That one?
Me.
Oh, yeah. Good morning, guys. Say good morning, King.
The build.
Yeah?
The
Oh.
build.
What is that?
You build it.
Yeah.
That. I eat and the eye. I feel the eye.
Oh, yeah. There's eyes on it. Wow.
That's because the way you only the camera.
Kinakain ni Mr. Israel. Tapos akin, guys. Breast.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver.
I did.
Done. So, magano pala ako, guys. Magluto ako ng lunch namin ni Christian. Bali yung nilutuin ko is fried na chicken fillet yun. Yung nilutuin ko. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, naiyak ko si Ayla. Paano na ako nito maka-start kung magising siya kasi natulog ko siya. Ito, binabad ko siya sa gatas, which is, try nyo guys. Masarap siya pag nakababad ang chicken sa gatas, tapos saka nyo siya ipututuhin. Di pa kami nakaalis. Isa na ngayon yung alis namin. Papunta sa play. Pero sabi ko kay King, kain naman na tayo before tayo pupunta doon. Para walang gastos. Wala na, gising na si Ayla. Hindi mo work. Isa naman ito, hindi ko pa naman sa kanila. Pag niluluto. Ito. Yung gatas yung binabad ko, guys. Subukan nyo lang, guys. Yung put dami na may Ayla's mouth. Padidi lang yan eh. I think you just did dami. Dami, love. Padidi yan si Ayla. Just kumanta natin. Hey! The baby! Oh, there you go. Nakaligo na yan siya. Nagisan ko na yan si Ayla. Ayan. Ay, hindi pala naka-on. Kaya pala. Okay na. Na-on ko na. Don't worry na, ha? Na-on na ni Mami. Alam, maamoy na yung ano ko, guys. Yung naluluto. Dito ko na kayo lagay. Kasi naamoy na yung naluluto ko. Ayan. Sinamay ko na guys ha. Malinis na itong kamay ko. fried chicken. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Paano tayo makatapos-tapos ng ginagawa nito kasi iyak na iyak? Music daw na, iyak. So, hindi pa nakaligo si Christian, pero si Ayla nakaligo na. At nag-prepare na ako ng lunch ni Christian. So, ito yung kanyang isgulay. Ano ko nakikita yung sa gulay, nakalabasa na may manok, na may malunggay. Yan, hindi mo kukita, no? Pakita ko nga sa inyo, guys.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting like a child. Yeah, you always see the best in me. I always start these fights, but you still love me, right? I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. You dry my tears, you take me home, you make me feel like I'm missing. Pick me up, pull me close, stay until the sun's up. You dry my tears, you take me home, you make me feel like I'm missing.
So, nakaano na kami, nakabat na kaming lahat. Kakain na lang, guys. So, kakainin niya is chips and yung chicken. Yung chicken na niluto ko kanina, natanghali. Chicken. So, hindi ko ito initin kasi
Yeah, neither do I.
ayaw niya ng ano, mainit. Christian, ayaw niya.
Spotted. Wait, Mila, there's a little lake right here. We could have a lakeside shelter. Yeah, good idea, Milo. Let's go down here and stop.
Tapos, lagyan ng ketchup. Kasi gusto niya lagi may
It's
ketchup.
more complicated than I thought, but Milo, look, you literally make builds all around.
Alam niyo ba guys, simula nung anak ko kay Ayla,
Yeah,
simula nung anak ko sa kay Ayla guys, wala na talaga akong nap in the day. Talagang
glamorous house ever, but
busy lagi. Talagang bawat oras may ginagawa.
I can even make a full
Wala guys, wala na talagang pahinga.
Exactly, Milo. We're about to be living large. A few
Nait na.
Give me
Walang pahinga guys, talagang tuloy-tuloy yung mga trabaho. Ito, may hugasin pa ko dito na dapat hugasan. Tapos nito, padidiin pa si Ayla. Ay, Diyos ko, wala talaga pahinga. Siguro, makapagpahinga ako sa gabi yung matulog na si Ayla ng dire-diretso yung
comes to this stuff.
mga siguro mga 1 o'clock, mga ganun. Diyan na bababa na sa 1 o'clock. Gising naman ako ng alas 2:30 kasi magdede. Kasi minsan tulog din siya. So, mga ganun oras na talaga ako maka-free time. Minsan na makatulog na maayos sa gabi. Pero minsan sa gabi, wala pang ayos yung tulog ko, guys. Kasi yak-iyakin pa talaga si Ayla ba. Be careful, it's hot.
Not see us.
So, kakain muna kami, guys, ha. I-prepare ko yung mga pagkain ko para so, nasiking na muna ang titingnan niyo dyan.
Dude, so attacking is
So, invite guys to eat. Tell them guys eat.
he's really mean like
Hot.
that.
It's not even hot. It's chips. It's chicken.
Yeah,
Hello.
pretty well defended from him.
You're joking.
Gibeng. Huh? Gibeng ko. Ha? Sige.
Milo, you sure? I don't even see the sun.
Get.
Namutan kong punasan yun. Sorry kaya.
Okay, let's see what packs we can buy to try and survive this thing. I go to the shop. Let's buy the survivor pack, Milo. Who will help us survive? Well, from that starter bundle, we actually got night vision goggles.
Oh man, this is actually awesome. Never would have been able to do this if it weren't for SCP, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Now we can even put down this torch somehow, I think, but let's actually keep it. We need it for warmth, and we do not want to get cold in the night. Energy? Maybe we might need to go exploring in the morning for some breakfast.
Yeah, that's actually a great idea.
You know what, Milo?
Is it yummy?
I'm actually not seeing
Eat the chicken first and then the chips later.
We never... I think we might be safe.
Ito pala yung sabaw na ulamin ko, guys, oh. Ang daming sabaw. Tapos, initin ko na lang siya, tapos lagyan ko siya ng kanin. Initin natin. Masarap na talaga ako. Alam niyo ba, guys, nag-worried ako, guys, kasi wala na ako masyadong gatas. Yung ano ko, yung before, yung dami akong gatas, yung talagang masakit, matigas yung dede ko. Ngayon talaga, guys, parang tama na kay Ayla na madede niya. Wala na ako mapapump talaga kasi puro na lang kay Ayla madede. Kasi minsan, hindi ni Ayla maubos, kaya talaga magpapump ako. Pero ngayon, wala na talaga ako ipapump, guys. Talagang, parang hindi na ako magpapump siguro kasi i-direct na lang ni Ayla na dede kasi parang siguro na-consume niya na lahat na kailangan niya. Kasi before siguro yung maliit pa siya. Talagang marami pang gatas kasi nga hindi niya naubos lahat ba. So, ginagawa ko lang kung talagang sa pagkain ko lang or talagang na-consume na ni Ayla yung mga gatas. Nagpuri lang ako. Kayo ba yan mga mamis? Yung mga kapanganak lang yung ano, tuloy-tuloy ba yung gatas nyo? Comment down below daw guys kung ano yung dapat kainin para magkaroon ng maraming gatas. Mga ano lang niyo ba, mga idea nyo lang, baka makatulong o may share nyo sa akin para ma-apply ko guys, para kasi ayoko talaga na, gusto ko talaga na mag-breastfeed kay Ayla up to 6 months. Yun talaga yung target ko. Pero kita talaga nainom ko no? Coke. Siya na ka guys kasi talagang uhaw na uhaw ako kaya minsan talaga nagko-coke ako once a day. Once a day lang. Don't worry guys. Once a day lang talaga. Eat na your chip. Kain na kami ng cheesecake guys. Cheesecake. Oh, you know, see now. Ayla's wake up.
No, what is on the plate?
That's not plate. Just the cheesecake.
It's in the plate.
It's not plate.
What?
Just cheesecakes. Yeah, it's a plate of cheesecake. Ay! Shucks. Sarap itong cheesecake guys eh. Ito, vanilla cheesecake siya. Eat mate. I'm gonna eat a little bit. Naku, tataba kayo nito, Christian. Tataba kayo nito guys, no? Cheesecake for more.
What is this?
Ito siya guys, oh. Vanilla cheesecake siya. Yummers.
Ow.
Let's wake up. We turn this to the... Ayla is po. She's quiet and then she's loud. Kain guys ng cheesecake. Ayan. Si Krisha, no? Gusto ni Krisha itong cheesecake, guys. So. Hindi inaubos.
Oh yeah, our colors are so amazing. I think orange and blue are some of the best colors out there.
Akyatay ni Ayla sa taas, guys. Kasi nga, ay, check ko yung room ni King kung na-close ko na ba yung cortina. Nakalimutan ko ba kung na-close ko siya. So, diyan ko nilagay yung kay Ayla na ano, kasi hindi pa naman nagagamit yung swing niya. So, diyan mo siya. Ay, hindi ko pa na-close yung cortina niya. Pero na-close na pala yung door. Ay, yung window. So, that's fine. Ayla, say hi. Ayla, say hi, auntie. Ayla. Say hi, auntie. Uy. Si Ayla, guys. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan. Si Ayla. Si Ayla. Nagigising mo ni Ayla. Kagigising na ni Ayla, guys. Kagigising na ng baby, guys. Oh, look. Say hi, auntie. Say hi. Wave, auntie and uncle. Lola and Lolos. Come on, wave. Yeah. Say hi, auntie. My cousins in Philippines. My grandma, my granddad. My aunties. Hey. Tinitingnan niya. Tinitingnan siguro yung sky. Kasi nga maliwanag pa sa labas. Pero sa totoo lang ano na guys, alas 7 na ng gabi. Maliwanag pa din, no? Dito kami sa room ni Christian. So, hello, aunties. There you go. It's Christian Ayla. That's Ayla Bella. Hello, guys. Hi. Hello, guys. Wave. So, guys, babush for now, guys. See you next vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.